friends, Sheree here. Welcome back to the channel, Sheree's Alchemy Shop TV. We're back for Vlogmas Day 13, and we have another gorgeous fabric collection to look at. This collection is called Pastoral Symphony, and it is just filled with loads of beautiful kind of nature themes as well as floral themed fabric. This first print here is called Rebecca, and the colorway is Plum. And it's just filled with a lot of really beautiful warm tones along with some soft pastel. So it's really has some beautiful contrast to it. You got your pinks, your plum, your, deep orange, your browns, and a little bit of lavender. Kind of, that's sitting between like a lavender and a periwinkle. It's a unique color. It's kind of a grayish purple. Really, really pretty. So this is the first print, Rebecca, in the colorway Plum. This next print is called the Night Bouquet, and the colorway is called Nocturne. And this is one of my favorites. I love like a poppy floral on a dark black background. I think this is absolutely stunning. I love all of the colors, especially that like purple with the black. And then again, like she's combining those dark colors along with some kind of brights and pastels, and so it's kind of a signature way of putting colors together in this print. I think it's really, really beautiful. Our third print is called Magic Mushrooms, and the colorway is called Mousse. And this is one of the prettiest mushroom prints, I think. Look at all those different kinds of mushrooms being featured along with some little flowers. And yeah, I love this print too. I love a good mushroom print. And so, yeah, I think this is just really quirky and sweet. And what I love about this, actually all the prints, I'm using them to make some home goods for my, some home decor items for my handmade shop. But again, I mean, I would make a blouse out of this. I would make a dress out of this. You could use this for children as well as adults. And so I like the flexibility of these prints, actually all the prints in this collection. Next up, we have this print called Happy Garden, and this is in fact a very happy print. Again, the colors, I love the contrast, and I think this is just a fantastic color combination, you know? It's a little tricky sometimes, I think, to use like deep tones along with pastels effectively, and I just feel like she nailed it with this color. The colorway on this Happy Gardens print is just called Multi, and I've already made some products. Actually, with all of these prints, you'll be seeing these for spring in my handmade shop on Etsy, and I will, again, as I always do, make some amount of yardage available in the fabric shop on Etsy as well. Next up, we have this, again, gorgeous floral. I know I keep saying that over and over again, but I love this collection because it's just making me really look forward to spring and being back outside in the garden. Let's get this turned around in the right direction. Well, I guess it's kind of an all over print design, really. Maybe, yeah, because it's the name is printed this way, so I think this is the way you technically hold it. But this is called Folk Dream. The colorway on this is peach. Now this is a really pale, really super pale, peach toned background. And then again, look at how the colors just pop on that background. I just think it's beautiful. Flowers all over, and then if you zoom in closely, you'll see all the little birds as well, butterflies. It's full of detail. Love it. Look at that nigella blossom. That blue nigella right there in the center. It's just beautiful. All the flowers that I love. Here's another all over floral design. And again, she placed these in a way where it's not, well, I would say it's directional. Yeah, it's kind of directional because the larger prints are going in the same direction. So I would call this a directional print. But this print is called Prairie Folk, and the colorway is Multi. And this background is white. But again, look at all the colors popping off of it. gorgeous. I've already made things with most of these, and I'm going to share some of them with you all come January. We're going to do a little bit of a shift here as far as like all the multicolored prints, because she did put 2 prints in here that are just this classic blue and white. So this is kind of a diagonal printed floral, and it's called Garlands. And this Garlands print colorway is called Sky. And you can see it's just a sweet little floral, kind of floral garlands, but they're printed on the diagonal of the fabric instead of across or perpendicular to the cross grain. So it's kind of interesting. And the second of these prints is really, it's blue and white with a touch of green in there. It's called Blue Dreams, and the colorway is blue. And again, it's so pretty. And you can see like all these quilters cottons, right? It's a lightweight cotton, no stretch, and they are printed on the base. And so you do have a very clear wrong side to these fabrics as well. Okay, and this collection wraps up with 3 more super colorful prints. 3 of my favorites from the collection. This one here is called The Song of Birds. The colorway is called Morning. And I just think this is so sweet with the birds, all different kinds of birds, mushrooms and flowers. And I think this is just a really gorgeous colorway. Again, you're getting those pastels, but then you're getting some kind of deeper, richer tones mixed in with it. And I think it's just a very striking combination. I just love them. I think this collection just screams spring. Okay, this print here is one of the big hero prints in the collection. This is called Blooming Gardens. I mean, look at this. This one I haven't made anything yet. I'm still thinking. I have several things in my mind for this fabric, so I'm gonna have to narrow them down, but I think it's just stunning. The colorway on this Blooming Garden print is called Romantic. And again, I'm probably gonna make an apparel, something for apparel with this. I don't know, but maybe this will be a print that I share a sew along to make something with you all, because I think, I don't know, it's just so happy. I love the colors. I love the colors so much. And then here is the final print in this gorgeous Pastoral Symphonies collection. This print is called The Bird's Tree, and the colorway is called Aurora. And I mean, I'm gonna just zoom in. You can see all the different birds, flamingos and robins and woodpeckers and blue jays, and just, it's so fun. So fun. I'm thinking this would make, I mean, you can make so many things, but I don't know. I'm thinking about making another button front shirt with this. I feel like this could be just a cool statement shirt, statement blouse. Something a little quirky and different and fun. And so that's definitely one of the projects that I'm thinking with. But again, I'm sure you all are like me. You can dream up like a dozen things to make with each of these prints, right? I absolutely love them. So friends, thank you so much for joining me to have this quick peek at this gorgeous collection that I will be using for spring in my handmade business. And again, I will be putting some yardage on some, I'm going to cut some fat quarter bundles as well and get up on Etsy to share. But again, it's the Pastoral Symphonies collection. Absolutely one of my favorite collections that I got in to work on some spring products to sew and sell. And I look forward to sharing those with you. I'm going to share some of the projects with you all here on the channel in the new year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here for Vlogmas Day 14.